Hello, and welcome to my tutorial on how to get into EdTech. So the first thing you're going to see whenever you log on to ETSU is your D2L page. I just go straight from here. There's many ways that you can do it. You can go up here and go down, let's see, to EdTech, or you can go right here and just click on this. This is what I usually do. On the homepage, you'll see announcements every week. Usually, um, your professor will post, maybe Hannah will post, um, uh, we just have different things that tells you, hey, this is what it is for the week. Whenever you go onto this page, let's go down to week 13. Um, you have to report an attendance report every week. You have it's 3 points every week. So whenever you go into the attendance report, you'll just click right here, and then it'll ask you what class you're in. I'm in 901. So I click 901. It'll ask for your first and last name, and then it'll ask for your code of the week. Every week they have a different code that goes with whatever assignment you're doing. If you go over here to content, and let's see, I'm in week 13. The Hannah has instructional videos to show you how to get how to be able to do the assignment that you're given. This the she usually talks about it, and then she also will give you the assignment. So like this week is the Screenomatic. Um, you have to make a 2 to 5 minute video about the course. It just tells like everything that you have to do. It usually gives several things. Now, for this class, you do have to have Google Drive, which is something that I didn't really understand because our school does, ETSU does Outlook, so I didn't really understand that, but you do have to have a Google Drive. Um, so each week, so like, say you're starting with week 1. So week 1, you'll look, it's about STEM innovations, STEM spotlights. Please watch this video. So what you would do is watch the video, you'd read this, and then submit your class feedback. Now, the only place that you can find the attendance, the little code, is over here on Course Home. Whenever you look at Course Home and you scroll down, you'll see it underneath there. There's also announcement videos that you can see. One thing that I utilize in almost every class is I go down here to grades and I see what I'm missing and see like what's going on for the week, and that's how I can tell like what I'm missing or what I need to work on. If your class has a Zoom, you'll go to the Zoom link right here. This class that we're in, it doesn't have Zoom, so we never use that. You can, if you wanted to get questions about something and you didn't really understand, you could Zoom with your professor, so he could get on there and log on and help you realize what you're doing wrong. So I thought that was really cool. So yeah, that's just a little overview of EdTech. I've been in it for 13, 15 weeks. Um, I think that you'll do great. Um, One thing that I wish that I knew at the beginning of the course is that if you have a Mac, do not use Safari. If you use Safari, these videos will not pull up and you cannot get them to work. Um, so I tried to use Safari and the videos wouldn't work. But I'm on a Google Chrome right now. I had to download Google Chrome to be able to use the D2L site correctly, because I guess they post through Google. I'm not really for sure. But if you do have a Mac, don't use Safari, download Google Chrome. All right, well, I hope you guys have a good rest of your semester, and congratulations on making it this far. This was one of my last classes before I got to graduate, so I hope that you guys have a good time. I did, I know. Well, have a great rest of your day.